Number 1.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a classic green exterior finish that still presents well for its age. Under the hood, it's powered by a 5.7L V8 engine, delivering strong performance backed by four-wheel drive and the Z71 off-road package, making it both capable and versatile on any terrain. The truck has a clean title and has been kept in solid running condition. It runs excellent with no major issues reported. Inside, it offers practical comfort with power windows and locks, along with cold air conditioning, all fully functional. A sound system has been professionally installed for added enjoyment, and it's equipped with a tow package and bed liner, making it ideal for both work and leisure use.
Number 2.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,999, showing only 121,000 original miles since new. It's powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth acceleration and easy handling, ideal for both daily driving and light-duty hauling. Finished in a timeless white exterior with a clean blue interior, this truck retains much of its original charm and character. The cabin is in surprisingly good condition, with seats, dashboard, and trim that have been well cared for throughout the years. It still features its original factory radio, which remains fully functional, adding a nostalgic touch to the driving experience. The air conditioning blows cold, making it comfortable to drive in any weather, and all four tires are in good shape, ensuring a stable and confident ride.
Number 3.
1995 Dodge Ram 3500, price $10,000, powered by the robust 8.0L V10 Magnum engine paired with an NV4500 5-speed manual transmission with a granny low gear. This truck delivers strong performance and smooth shifting. With just over 192,000 miles on the odometer, it runs and drives exceptionally well. Recently, over $2,000 was invested in a complete front-end rebuild, including new upper and lower control arms with ball joints, stabilizer links, and shocks. It rides on 6 matching 265/70 or 16 all-terrain tires, mounted on lightweight Alcoa wheels up front and steel wheels on the inside rears. The braking system has been refreshed with new front brake pads, enhancing safety and reliability. Inside, the cabin has been upgraded for comfort and sound quality. A new headliner and Dynomat sound insulation have been installed throughout the roof and floor, reducing noise and vibration. The upgraded stereo system, complete with a subwoofer, delivers a clean, balanced sound without being overpowering. The truck also features power windows and locks, functioning cruise control, and an air conditioning system that works properly, though the heat performs moderately.
Number 4.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, features an automatic transmission and a classic burgundy exterior that highlights its timeless design. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 TBI engine paired with a smooth 700R automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance both on the road and around town. The interior is exceptionally clean and comfortable, showing how well the truck has been maintained over the years. Key features include its dependable V8 power, solid full-size pickup build, and classic late-80s styling that still turns heads today. Overall, this Chevy 1500 runs and drives great, a well-kept example of durable American craftsmanship.
Number 5.
1997 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,700. It has 239,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and runs on gasoline, powered by an SBC 350 engine. This truck has received several recent upgrades, including a new battery, sway bar end links, air filter, distributor, spark plug wires, and a multi-port fuel injection (MPFI) system that replaces the original DPFI setup. It's also equipped with a new fuel pump, muffler, and door hinge pins, enhancing both reliability and performance. According to the current owner, the truck starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives great, ready for any trip without hesitation. While it does show the typical Chevy rocker rust expected for its age, the interior remains exceptionally clean, and the paint, though best appreciated from about 20 feet away, still presents nicely.
Number 6.
1998 GMC 1500, price $4,500. It has covered 204,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it features a black exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and understated look. Once a hard-working farm truck, the Sierra proudly carries some character, a bit of rust here and there, but it still runs strong and dependable, living up to the phrase rusty but trusty. The truck starts easily, drives smoothly, and has been fitted with nice tires and wheels that enhance both its stance and performance. From a distance, it looks surprisingly sharp for its age, and it still retains that unmistakable farm-fresh charm, perfect for someone who appreciates an honest, functional truck with real history and plenty of life left on the road.
Number 7.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900. This truck is a two-wheel drive pickup that's in remarkably straight and clean condition for its age. The body is solid and well-kept, complemented by a clean and comfortable interior. Despite showing 299,000 miles on the odometer, this truck still runs and drives impressively well. The heat system functions perfectly, though the AC is currently inoperative. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a strong, dependable engine, this Chevy offers a smooth and reliable driving experience. It's ready to be enjoyed as is for everyday use or could serve as an excellent platform for an LS swap to unleash its full performance potential.
Number 8.
1991 Dodge D150, price $4,700. This truck is a classic 4x4 pickup equipped with a 318 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Finished in brown both inside and out, it runs on gasoline and offers a clean, well-kept interior with fully functional heating. The truck is in good running and driving condition, with the 4x4 system working properly. It features power windows and door locks, good tires, and a number of recent maintenance updates, including a new radiator, new fuel line, and a fresh oil change. While there is some rust visible on the drip edge and rear fenders, it remains mostly solid overall. Additional highlights include the original factory window sticker and the owner's manual, both of which are included with the sale.
Number 9.
1992 Ford F250, price $6,500, showing 352,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a diesel engine and manual transmission, it features a blue exterior and interior, combining vintage charm with dependable performance. The truck has received extensive maintenance and upgrades from 2015 to 2022, including major replacements such as the steering box, fuel system, braking components, clutch system, and lighting. Notable improvements include a remanufactured injection pump, new water pump, front-end rebuild, and axle swaps from a 2000 Excursion and 2000 F-Series, adding strength and modern reliability. With years of detailed upkeep, this F250 stands out for its mechanical durability, classic diesel power, and long-term reliability.
Number 10.
1990 Ford F150, price $5,200. This truck has a total mileage of 173,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. Finished in a sleek gray exterior with a matching gray interior, this classic pickup runs on gasoline and features a reliable 6-cylinder engine. It comes as a short bed model with a protective bedliner and a sturdy toolbox installed in the back.
The truck includes the original owner's manual and has only had 2 owners since new.
According to the current owner, it has never been involved in any accidents and remains in solid condition. The tires are in good shape, making it ready for everyday use or light work duties.